Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections Flowers and Vegetables. Today I want to profile Fire Okra. These plants are about 4 feet tall. That's the average height. I think these are going to go, to 5 feet, maybe 6 feet tall before the cold weather rolls in. These have been growing for most of the summer. Okra loves the warmer weather, so you don't have to rush them into the ground. But look how beautiful these plants are. Not only, we'll talk about the okra on there, but not only are they great producers of the seed pods, that's what we eat, they're just really, really decorative. And I think these would make a great living fence if you wanted a privacy fence, or you wanted to put something up during the warm season. You could drop an okra and you'll get a beautiful okra hedge, decorative and edible. Now, as you come down here, I want to show you something I'm doing. I'm growing 2 plants in one space, and they're not really competing with each other. Maybe they'd be a little bit bigger if there was only one plant in there, but they're doing really well. So okra, you eat the pods, and these are beautiful red pods. When they get to this height, they're too tall. They're too big. The outside starts to get woody, and they're basically producing seeds. But as you work your way up, you can pick okra about this size, a little bit bigger, but essentially, let's go from the top. They flower. This is a really prolific variety. You're going to get at least 30 pods per plant. So they start with the flowers, and you work your way down, you see them flower, and then in about, 7 days or so, the pods start forming, and you can pick them from anywhere from about 1.5 inches to 3 inches. If you let them go too long, they're going to get woody. But I'm just going to show you just the production of these plants and all the okra in there. I left them on just so you could see, what they're doing. These are bred by the Known You Seed Company. This is a 2017 All America Selections winner. It's just a beautiful plant. I love the decorative value. But look at all those flowers. It's going to be nothing but okra pods. I enjoy eating them raw at about this size or a little bit bigger. I just pick them off the plant, and you don't want to tug these. You either want to twist them or cut them off with a knife, but they can be eaten just like this. If you're concerned about okra, it can be slimy. If you're eating it raw, that really doesn't happen. You can chop it up, put it in salads, eat them like this, and you don't get that slime consistency from them. If you do cook them, you're going to get that, but I don't mind it. They're also great for deep frying. Okra, again, loves the heat. They do prefer sandy, loamy soil. However, I have a soil that's pretty much clay. I put in a lot of organic matter, so I wouldn't worry too much about the soil, but just give them a lot of organic matter. A nice, slow, low feed from breaking down, from compost breaking down, I think is what helps the okra do really well. You don't have to overfeed these plants. But again, this is the 2017 All America Selections winner, Fire Okra. I highly recommend it for your garden. It's beautiful, it's prolific, and it's absolutely delicious. Please subscribe to our channel. We don't run any YouTube ads there. We just provide great garden videos. Thanks for watching.